Hello, today we will guide you through how to calculate profit margin in Google Sheets. We'll walk through a simple way to calculate both profit and profit margin using a sample spreadsheet. This method is useful if you want to quickly compare revenue and cost values, then turn that into a margin percentage you can track across multiple rows. To begin, open the sample Google Sheets spreadsheet. Once you're in the sheet, take a moment to locate the relevant columns. In this example, the calculation uses the values in columns B and C, and the result will first be placed in column D. Column D will be used to calculate profit, which is the difference between the selling amount and the cost amount. In the first row where you want the result to appear in column D, enter a formula that subtracts the value in column C from the value in column B. This gives you the profit amount for that row. If column B contains your sales or revenue and column C contains your cost, then this subtraction shows how much money is left after costs are removed. After entering the formula, press Enter so Google Sheets calculates the result. Next, copy that formula down the rest of column D by dragging the fill handle from the cell with the result. The fill handle is the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. When you drag it downward, Google Sheets automatically applies the same formula pattern to the rows below. This saves time and helps keep your calculations consistent across the sheet. After that, move to column E, where you'll calculate the profit margin. In the appropriate cell in column E, begin entering the margin formula. The goal here is to divide the profit value in column D by the original value in column B. This gives you the profit margin as a decimal. Type the formula equals IFAR, open parenthesis, D, divided by B, comma, 0, then close parenthesis. Written out, that is, equals IFAR, open parenthesis, D, slash B, comma 0, close parenthesis. This formula is helpful because it prevents errors from appearing if the value in column B is empty or 0. Instead of showing an error message, Google Sheets will return 0, which keeps your sheet cleaner and easier to read. Once you press Enter, the profit margin will be calculated for that row. If needed, you can then copy the formula down the rest of column E the same way you did in column D. And that's it. You've set up a basic profit and profit margin calculation in Google Sheets